how to multiply numbers with a series of ones. First example, 23 into 11. In this example, we will discuss the concept. 23, 11 is 10 plus 1. This is nothing but 230 plus 23. Am I right? It is 253. 253. Now see here. 23 into 11. 23 into 11. First see here. Write down the unit digit as it is, or prefix 1 0. I will tell you why am I prefixing 0. Prefixing 0, the value will not change. Write down 3 as it is. Because there are two ones, start from the rightmost. Take a group of 2 digits. What is 2 plus 3? 5. Again, what is 0 plus 2? 2. 253. Because once two ones are there, take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits from right hand side and add them. Take a group of 2 digits from right hand side and add them, because there are two ones are there. Two ones are there. Start from the rightmost. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. First write down 3. 2 plus unit digit, write down as it is. Now, why am I writing unit digit as it is? 0 plus 3 is 3. What is happening here? 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? One I am doing like this, another I am doing like this. 3. What is 3 plus 2? 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. Answer is 253. 758 into 111. Because there are 3 ones, keep 2 zeros at the beginning. 758. Write down the unit digit as it is. Take a group of 3 digits and add it. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 0, 2 over. Next, take the next group. 12 plus 2, 14, 4, 1 over. 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. I hope the idea is clear. If triple ones are there, take a group of, if 3 ones are there, take a group of 3 digits. If 4 ones are there, take a group of 4 digits and add them. 758. 8 is written like this. Right? 8 is written like this. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. So it is 0, 2 carried. I hope it is clear. 2 carried. 3 ones. Keep 2 zeros at the beginning. One more example we will do. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 ones. 4 ones means keep 3 zeros at the beginning. Into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is written like this. 4 ones is take a group of 4 digits. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carried. This is written. Next 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. This is over. Next 4. 1 plus 2, 3. Next 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. 1. 13704. I hope the idea is clear.